After making your matting this way, after making it like this, remember this is with size 2, that's 11 seed bead. After making your matting this way, you attach your needle. You can decide to use needle, attach your needle to your fishing line, or you use only your fishing line. Then I have my hook. So what you do at this point, you attach your fishing line to your hook, just the way I'm doing this. I'm going to tie it. After making a loop, I will tie, make another loop, make another loop, I will tie, then I'll make the third loop. Just tie it as many as you can. After tying it, I have my fishing line attached to this hook. So what I'll do now, this is my matting. I'm going to take my matting, but before I start, I will pick my 10 mm. I'll pick 3 of it. I have it attached like this. And I'll pick the 4th one. I'll attach it. This is what I have. Then I'll pass my needle through this first bead here where I did the matting. Then I'll pull. Now I have it attached like this. So the next thing I will do, I will pick 110 mm. Remember, this is where we are. I'll count 1. This is where my fishing line is coming out from. I'll count 1, 2, 3. Then the 4th one, I'll pass my needle down. I'll pass it underneath. So I have it like this. Then I'll pick 110 mm again. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 4th one, I'll pass my needle back and I will pull it. Be patient as you do this. So I have the second one attached like this. I'll count 4 again. I'll pick 10 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I'll just count 4, the 4th matting here, where I have the opening like this. Then I'll pass my needle through it. Then I'll continue like that. I'll continue till I get to the end. Remember, you can use any size of crystal. I'm using 10 mm. You can decide to use 8 mm or 6 mm. Pick another one. So this is what I'll continue till I get to the end of this matting. So this is what we have. So continue like this till you get to the length you want. Once you're done with this, you can take the next one, attach it just the way I showed you before. Attach it to this second one. Make as many as you want, then attach it to this. Then once I'm done with this, I'm still going to do the same thing. Then I'll attach it to this part of the hook, and that will be our necklace. So go ahead and make yours. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. If it's your first time of watching my videos, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.